Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, my name is Kristen Leanne. I am a cruelty-free YouTuber. Today, you guys asked for this, so I figured I would film it. It's at night right now while I'm filming this, and I usually hate filming at night, but I was like, just do it, get artsy, get creative. So here I am. This was a look that I wore to my meet and greet in Los Angeles with, I think it was Century City with Urban Decay. So a lot of you guys were tweeting me and commenting on Instagram that you wanted to see this look recreated in a tutorial so that you guys could follow along if you had similar colors or if you purchased the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope Dream palette, which looks like this. So we used my entire collection for this look. I'm also going to be giving away a brand spanking new Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope palette as well as Bun Bun Lipstick, which I am wearing both of these in this tutorial. But you guys are gonna have to wait till the end of the video to figure out how to enter to win. It's really, really simple, but that is basically to get you to watch my tutorial. But if you wanna skip to the end and be rude, then you can, but I'm just kidding. But it is at the end, so stay tuned for that. And I'm trying to think if there's any further announcements. I have updated my blog with more information about upcoming meet and greets. I think I've got a little more information on New Jersey and a few other ones. So check the link in the description box if you're interested in coming to one of them, and that info will be there for you and you can see what's going on and see if you're able to make it. I have been absolutely loving seeing your guys' makeup looks. You guys have been tagging me, people who have picked up, you guys have picked up part of the collection and you're showing me the looks that you guys have created, you're tweeting them to me, you're making YouTube videos, you're tagging me on Instagram. It is just so overwhelmingly exciting to see the support you guys and the love you guys have for this collection. It just is so incredible. Like no words could really describe like the feeling it gives me inside, but I'm just so grateful and excited that you guys are enjoying the collection, and it's just so fun and so fulfilling for me to watch you guys get artsy with it and get creative. So that is like just want to let you know that if you're one of those people that have done that, I've seen it and I think you're amazing and it is amazing, and thank you so much for taking the time to dive into my collection, you spend your hard-earned money on it and use it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Trying to think if there's any more announcements that I need to go over. I don't think so, but if I do, they will be in the description box below. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Dude, my face today looks like I slept on an anthill. This was a bite that I got yesterday, and this is a bite too. They're itchy, they're freaking itchy, and then they ooze that clear stuff. I don't know why bugs want to eat my face at night, like I swear. And then of course we've got our beautiful, I'm a broken record. I'm gonna stop right now. Let's get started with this. I just basically have concealer on my eyelids and that's all I've got. I'm taking my Royal and Langnickel crease brush and I'm going in with Lime Time. I am so obsessed with lime green. I'm like trying to use this mirror and it's like so filthy. It's like filthier than a gutter. I still have yet to find like a super dope like lime green glitter. If you guys know of one, please let me know, because even if it's not meant for my eye area, I will put it on my eye area and take that risk. If you're not comfortable with color the way that I am, that is totally okay. What you can do is just make all this smaller. Just don't blend this up as high. Just keep it right in your crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with LCW right here. This is one of my favorite colors from the palette. Absolutely am always drawn towards this. I guess teal is one of my favorite shades. For this, I'm using a Royal and Langnickel Smudger brush. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Hi.
Where are you?
I'm in my studio, AKA our garage.
Oh, I was looking for you everywhere.
Okay, stalker. You wanna come say hi?
Yeah.
Yeah, come give me a kiss. Next, I'm gonna take Spitfire right here and put it right on the center of the eyelid. I'm gonna grab a mixture of Leo and Brixton to highlight my brow bone with. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of Leo and put that right in the center of Spitfire. I went ahead and did my base brows and contour off camera as not to make this video like 7 years long. We don't want you to grow a beard or anything unless you're trying to. Don't let me stop you. Okay, next we're gonna go in, we're basically gonna mirror what we did on the top. So I'm gonna be going in with LCW on the outer edges and then back in with Spitfire in the center. I'm also gonna take Leo and just place this right here on the inner corner, just to like give this a bit of dimension, make it pop. You know the drill. I'm now gonna take the Urban Decay Jean-Michel Basquiat liner in Vivid, and I'm just going to line the outer edge of my waterline and the inner corner as well. Then for the center, I'm gonna be taking a Woodstock right here, which is this really nice pink, and you guessed it, gonna put that right on the center. I'm gonna drag this right along my lash line as well. I'm gonna do the same with Vivid. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I already forgot. I have a memory of like a goldfish. I'm gonna take Vivid and do that too. It's just gonna be a little bit more pigment, a little bit darker, just to tie the whole look together to the lash line. I am obsessed with this color combination from this palette, but like, I'm a little biased. I'm kind of obsessed with all of them. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of glitter to this look. I'm gonna be using 2 of the Heavy Metal liners. This one is Amp and this one is in Catcall. I wish this one was a little more hot pink for this, but we're just gonna roll with it. I'm looking back at my picture to see exactly what I did. I basically just put this all over all the blue parts, it looks like. So I'm just gonna kinda put it on the inner corner here, a little on my eyelid. You know what's really annoying? I don't know why I'm saying this, but I'm just thinking about it because I was gonna adopt this hamster, and the guy adopted him to somebody else, and I'd already purchased like a cage and chosen a day to come pick him up, etc. And the guy had already adopted him to somebody else, but whatever. I'm just glad the poor thing got a new home. Anyways, so I have this hamster cage all set together. I went to the shelter last night and there was a bunch of hamsters there, and I was asking the lady if they were tame or, you know, because I'm really busy and I'm just not the person to tame a hamster right now. So I was just trying to be real with like my life situation, what I could take on and what I could not, just to give the animal the best home possible. So I'm asking her about the hamsters, and now I'm gonna take Catcall. And she's literally like typing on her computer and like can't even be bothered to look up and like engage with me and talk to me. And then she basically just tells me that the hamster will bite you for the most part if you wake it up, and just like wasn't helping me at all, and just like made the hamster, like no one is gonna adopt these hamsters if that's how you're talking about them. So I was just like annoyed, and then I just left. She was like so unhelpful and just like didn't seem to want to be bothered, and I was just like annoyed by that. I just feel like that's not how people should act when people are in there coming to adopt animals. I'm sure she deals with tons of people that come in there and are just looking and not really interested in buying, but I don't know. She was nice. I didn't really appreciate like how she was not trying to help me, like, and I just kept standing there kind of like looking at him, and you know, I don't know. I just like, I feel like she should have just offered him more information, like, oh, they make really great pets, like, you know, they're young, these ones are only 3 months old, so you get to bond with them, etc., blah blah. But she like didn't do any of that, so I just wanted to like vent to somebody. So thank you so much for listening if you made it through that. While my mascara is drying, we're gonna go in with none other than the Beauty Beam highlight palette. I'm gonna be using these 2 right here, cocktail them together since I have no semblance of a tan right now at all. I seriously need to, well, I want to, I don't need to do anything. I want to just like go ahead and rub some fake tanner on me to feel really pale. The other day I filmed with Sandra and she made me want to use this for like everything. She used this for like 7 different things on my face, and I've never used a brush this big to highlight with, and I'm just gonna like try it out because She put so much highlighter on me and I was so into it. I literally looked like the Tin Man and I was so feeling myself. I found the right lashes. I did it. For lashes, I'm gonna be using the Morphe lashes in Chummy. They look like this, they're nice and wispy. They're 3-dimensional. They are cruelty-free, they are synthetic. I have a discount code for you guys if you'd like. I've been really liking the Morphe lashes, so if you wanna grab some, then you can use my discount code and save a little bit of coin. I just have been really liking these because the band is so like bendy, if you can see that. Like, it doesn't hurt my eyes. Gonna do some Bun Bun on the lips, which is the nude from my collection. However, I do need to line my lips first because I grossly overdraw my lips and I'm just no good at trying to draw fake lips on my mustache with lipstick. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Brixton for my palette and I'm gonna dab some of that off and I'm just gonna apply some of this. Now I want like kind of like a glossy look for this one. This is not what I did. I did do a little bit of gloss actually, but I didn't do this on the actual day that I wore this look originally. But I'm taking some of the Revolution Urban Decay High Gloss, what is this? High Color Gloss. This one is in Kinky. I'm just gonna lay this over top. That just pretty much covered it right up. I thought this was a little more transparent. Oh well. Gonna roll with it. And that is how you create this look that I wore at one of my meet and greets in Los Angeles. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this color combination. What color combo speaks to you from the Kaleidoscope Dream Palette? Let me know in the comments below. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial and you enjoy being on my channel. I wanted to now talk about how you guys can win. This is Bun Bun, which I have on right now, and a brand new Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope palette. As you guys know, this collection will no longer be available after March sometime. It is a limited edition collection. So it will only be available for a couple more months. There's literally a hair floating in the screen. Got it. So all you have to do is thumbs up this video, be subscribed to this channel as well as my vlog pet channel. I need to rename it. It says Kristen Leanne vlog channel, but it's really like a vlog pet channel. That link is in the description box below. So be subscribed here, there, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and make sure that your contact information is available on YouTube so I can click send a message and get to you that way. Yeah, so good luck to you guys. I will put in the description box when I'm going to be choosing and announcing the winner to the contest. And I wish you guys the best of luck. Thanks for hanging out with me and spending a bit of your time on my channel. Go ahead, I have put a video up on the screen that you can watch next if you're interested in binge watching my channel right now. I highly suggest it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and we'll see you in the next video.